Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm about to clean my sink, the base around my sink, you guys, and inside the sink as well. Okay, just doing a little cleaning, you guys, because on my spring break, I do not want to do a whole lot of spring cleaning. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, see how you can see around the base of the sink here? See there? So what I'm going to do, Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. Okay, I'm going to spray around the base. Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to let that sit for like 2 minutes. It smells so good and lemony in here. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, I let it sit for a couple of minutes. So without further ado, let's get started. I sprayed down here because a lot of people don't think about they sink. You have to get down there and you got to get in the crevices, and you know you have to use an old toothbrush. And you get down in there and you can see, hope you guys can see, because this shoulder is a glare. See the little black dot there? It's coming up. Okay, and let's work on the foundation. And make sure you guys, you always use a toothbrush. Get my hand sanitizer out the way. And this is something that I do often with my toothbrush. Look, I see. So let me see right here. See how dirty that is. Let's see how it just come off. No problem. You just can see. Let me see. See you guys. See how dirty that is. So go around with that toothbrush. See there? I don't like it in glare. Focus. See the dirt? And that's how you deep clean around the base of your sink and the parts that get really neglected. And you can see all the dirt and grime. See there? And I don't let it sit that long. I just let it sit enough to get all of this. Look at there. You see? And the key, you guys, is to use a toothbrush. And this right here, it works all the time. And they also have it in a lavender, but I love the lemon. I don't like the lavender scent. So that's Mr. Clean, the deep cleaning mist. Okay. So what I'm about to do now, since I done clean and see all this stuff, I don't know why it looked blurry in here. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to rinse it off. Take your rag and wipe all the residue off. And all of this stuff is gone. Okay, gone. it is gone. I mean, and that's when I buy to get inside the crevices of the sink. All of that is gone. Look how clean that is. And it's also good to clean and make your faucet shiny. So usually when we clean our bathroom, guys, that's what we usually do. Just wipe the faucet down and stuff like that. And sometimes we don't forget, we got to clean down in here with the toothbrush. You sure do. You got to go all around the base like I did. And look at my faucet. It's just shining. All this is clean. So, you guys, if you haven't went and tried this, I recommend you do. And it works very well. And you will get your money's worth. So, I thank you for watching. And make sure, old toothbrush, you guys. And bye-bye for now.